Therefore, my Makwaba Badele TV best and the Bachane so hit to man subscribe like Shema when a pencil me be a tear being tea Jemre Nanda Jene Dainsima a treguno you mungum na yemfa a munsum inina embremo near Bobama a tear for leak Odubi abetoja a shock me papa Nina say Nina mi timu kakra achemoni aboro makuti nsem no Nina ato Forson court ho issues case between one Godfred Odame akwa ye twema mentwea ya akoye se witness na Godfred Odame ye senko ome mbungu ananse wo meka entia ato Forson no odino kribia bedwe se ya akoye se Godfred Odame efrefe na nadwo keka nsem bia mempete me borom yembongwem na yenkotie nsem no no mo pese nka ye gu ato Forson so na nka ye di no ko prison but yentie nsem no ye ba de ka ho no ye bembem
na ye de ba ye ne ade enti eche se no kreka onrabo ato Forson all kan wo parliament as minority leader no ne hwehi to de o difficult dodo moma ye mondem na eye witness na endro mu so witness na de obeka gu atoso okogina aye nti we no eji no ejinem ono ohwe se obe ma ono abo ato Forson no ho akere no munti o na ndra ekopie mu court no witness na say eji one na ye de suo mpo a no ofre no ohun nipa bone midnight no ofre no opeso okochi no oma no kwan opeso kansem edigu eye honorable at Forson so no kokodem innocent man mo sorry am say causing financial loss to the state won't you causing financial loss to the state and so make us say equipment machines yes wo car no mu no adwene boni pesemen kumenyanti eniema ni nyina egusu egu porto nipa mo so akose one more minor boka a boka twitwi di no equipment ni besi nde ye keka ko 8 years abai ba ye keka ko 8 years be 8 years ni equipment ni gutema port am no kasa sesi a inti wo ni the previous government honorable ato Forson hweye ma omodwene ye healthcare hunti omodwene apomodin hunti adwene papa nti crash ambulance ba ye hye equipment wo mo no adwene boni nti se wa mama na boka yembisa ye ho se eniema no guhen equipment no wa hen make us say ega ho op temaport a yenyiye enti wuti asemi a hwan na ye nipa boni hwan na ye nipa boni hwana na ye nipa boni ora Godfred Odame hwan na ye nipa boni se wo kochi abranche ne se on kansem innocent honorable ato Forson na sem ento no so na ye monkodem na wenya den ona me se ato nyamendae honorable ato Forson na nyamendae adwene boni ne ndra nyame ye osotuma na me pese me hu se eji na betumi aka se anase ne kasa mafo wo ba for square betumi aka se your friend is saying enye sa na tie esema de kan se mpenifo so bi fa akire mutie o penifo bi afa akire abeka akire eji senche asem no onhwe ne yenka ne fie why se won kasa asem owura ne ka no oboa na yenka fie on asem oka nti echese we chese eji no de bia no mu prosecute obi no de anim we ye ba mu adem na no bebre ye innocent no mu ko chi nkofo na ne da de honorable ato Forson nyame ndae na wukọ finfi manto ma enyane esiam nyame ndae finfi manto mfo nyame ndae endra nyame kasae sesia na eji ohumo ye na nyame ya adoma Tuesday de me dowara endi sama ye ku expose yo mode ba no efa nsansem no ho amsa asem no magi akadodo efa no honorable ato Forson nsem no ho maybe edri me pese be kwa korre kasamfonyini wa wutie power 97.9 FM yi wasum na tie wa wo hwe TVXYZ bie wani na tie ensem ni na maka ma chechrem mama wahu sentrinti a honorable ato Forson onye eboni bia no mo dwe na man ye healthcare ho makra ambulance equipment be sin de munyi na mbaka say wa mama na boka ma yenko na yenko hwe eye former deputy communication and as a deputy communication minister Honorable Felix Ofosu-Kwakye Osansuye aide to President John Dramani Mahama in Chemo boy wasemi hu you assume uti atie ni wo hwa hwe ne tie ma yenko tie nsem ne mbra.
The reason why they say there was a problem in the ambulance, and there's a letter that Honorable LጲK wrote indicating that there was no medical equipment in it. There were other accessories that had been fixed in the ambulance, and I hope you see the inside of the ambulance. In October 2016, a container load of equipment, health equipment, medical equipment to be fixed in this ambulance arrived in Ghana. This government has simply refused to clear it. It's been at the port for 8 years. So the very reason why you say the ambulance is not fit for purpose has been sitting at the port for 8 years. So if indeed this government was interested in abating loss, all they will need to do is to clear. And you see, the Ministry of Health, in other words, government of Ghana, is a consignee, which means that they are the only ones who can clear it. Yes. And yet the thing has been at the port for 8 years, and you've left that, and you are going to court to claim that people have caused loss.
Enti the attendant on seminar Honorable Felix Ofosu-Kwakye or the atudwano because on my Ghana na cry it is that my brain or government no a consignee near money and idia into momo na Honorable Kesi ato Forson tro eto so no almost and sa na shasi nti atubedem atunyame agye because ye innocent ye trodo ne hu son boni bi enim asem no na yeto aso na no Honorable Felix Ofosu-Kwakye na so wa call head of the AG say AG no omonhwe no omon reject no as the leader of the bar due to the conduct we are akosi say wo coach obi o say na dokro na ne yeda 2 a.m. no frɛ no masa ye can say you me pesa to dem pa me mini no ato ona na ede bibia akoto parliament a o minority leader nti wa sole agina on pesa government business koso ane ade nti ato no frɛ pepe na pe so se me so meka no kre me kwa asole minim so ko romance methodist o se meka no kre nti de ateno no ora Felix Ofosu-Kwakye call for the head of the AG to be rejected as the leader of the bar due to the conduct. The
testing of Akufo-Addo and his government is not a crime for which you should go to prison. So the Attorney General is not allowed to fabricate evidence against people with a view to intimidating them. In fact, he should not be leader of the bar. He is not fit. He should be thrown out at the earliest opportunity. We in the NDC do know that all he does is judicial manipulation, threatening judges, going to judges to get them to skew judgment in a certain way. And in this instance, he's gone as far as engaging a witness to falsify testimony against someone that he himself has brought to court. That a lawyer is not allowed to approach or communicate or deal with a person represented in a matter or attempt to negotiate or compromise a matter directly with a represented person. Roland, I can tell you on authority that Dami has done this. It is the reason why he is panicking. And he is putting out these truths, and he is engaging some comical presenters and other stations to put out matters that are completely false, illogical, make no sense, in a bid to confuse the Ghanaian public on the matter. And you will see the evil that Dami and Co are plotting against persons who have done no more than to.
The eternal Honorable Felix Ofosu-Kwakye. Anana wa church nsemu mo we hu no enti agi de minim na ye me ya enne wutie how o mukasa manfo lawyer wo ba for
nsemo de oda na sorry na se o man wi mo wan tensem fofra na se odwini mebu ho a onti ase kese nsemo de obetiti bebrebe but ni nyina ye let peace prevail to Ghana and Yugosha yebo honda rose. Yanko sumo mpa inche nyanko pon nyame nkopon no me kami 7 December. Na yenstrese asumdwe bekoso aye omaye dia. Na yimse monso mobeka ye ho na etima share this piece of information.
Say bra, unsa asem no soma no. Na me say we kitu ekezimo ko manfifre fra atwer. Why? Say wo ba for some friend no na no posa sa let me see Tuesday expose and this amaye ko ne beto no e say woni ense de ka kire AG no conduct na nye subayo obu na nye se wo coaching kofo hey we yo yet was no lawyer Kwame Janto aso akasa em say no so nsem no kana e say wo hwe eye AG no suban na eye distasteful and or say yetumi ana say hia say entertain no enya dia AG no be kan nsem bi ho a yefa enya dia AG no ni suban bi ne ne ye bi ho a yesoso no so ko mamboni se wo poti obi so ndi trongo obi so AG ni no suban ne nye tini nua lawyer eye lawyer Kwame Janto a no so na sema odi atoso no moma yenkoti na yenhwemra.
You are an AG, you are in court, everything is evidence. Under what circumstance did Forson beg for the ambulance case to be discontinued? Was it done through his lawyer? Because as you read out there,
I'll read that out.
If you read it again, any communication with regards to a case, if the other side wants to probably have words with the other side's client, you go through his lawyer. So this statement by the Attorney General that Forson begged for ambulance cases to be discontinued, was it done through his lawyer? Number two, I was a bit surprised with the judge. I do not know what was said in chambers when the judge called both of them, both lawyers. But the accusations that has been made by Japa and the response by the Attorney General
under oath
needs evidence. And I expect the judge to tell both parties to produce the evidence of what they are saying, to get down to the truth. They've said what they've said in open court, haven't they? So, if that is the case, bring the evidence out in open court, and let's see who is speaking the truth or who is lying. Because
it's the no. A lawyer Kwame Janto and nsemo de atudwa. No. Utie nsema agent na mpanifo bi e baaye. Won be kan say ato Forson pachew. Enti ebe ya your friend is saying to omo fambre fie no omo kan asem no omo sre na. No witness na asem no kind on untumi defend it. Asem o AG kan. Why said the one kasa asem? Afi na wo be kasa asem. Serious. Oh my God, AG ayenya pa na odi se adwuman. Enye ensweni kra say or say AG ubu sa suban. We ye ensema ya kire kwa no fine or say lawyer eni enye say udi se adwuman enti wo hwe ma egu screen isu a ye kire say lawyer ni de ehia sabi wa obia oye witness no sabi kura to se bia woni nipa na bekasa a lawyer shall not approach, communicate or deal with a represented a person on a matter or attempt to negotiate and compromise a matter directly with the represented person. Inti se omuchiremu ha lawyer de sabi we to se bia obi omono no substitute nipa no represent obi no che wo a woni membrasa na hia se wo friend so osimesi won che won ne kasa na woni ni deal wo nsema ekoso no ho eto se bi oso woni negotiate ana obe friend no ekra ni da kasa ansem no ehun hia nti wo ye lawyer ni mapasa bi wa eye AG why ye lawyer adwuma ya nti papa na wo friend so on kaden da ade business na wo ne wa wo friend no ohun nti ha adwene say sa ne ne asemo General Legal Council minim say ade petition mu na mekoso no ade amusu mbetu ho na mo pa na ma men kofi mfimanto ma me diem make say wo kofi mfimanto ma the National Democratic Congress Central Regional Chapter almost akasa afa ho led by chairman Central Regional Chairman Professor Richard Kofi Asiedu omo di ato the press conference room kon akasa nsemo mo kanyina ne se aban no diabolic attempt so person jelly ato Forson at all cost asemo mo train no ampa so Many fifi man to for ya adwene. I say, ye bibi o matina ho akastrati. I say, oh, we ya na de ato Forson atum. In the Central Region for Akasa, chairman and a professor Richard Kofi Asiedu. Edi NDC chapter more Central Region name Akasa. Me pese be kwa hwekasam fonyi no. Nsem ni na ahye professor no na wetie bi. Fifi man to mfo mama yenko.
Keni ene hu say what the yen the share of the Central Region honorable Ato Forson. Outside minority leader for the NDC in Parliament. What ne ko gina asende bia. Yen region de yeni de chipa because oye nipa no hia your region papa na NDC. Na ye follow case here aduanim. Na mpenifo region musu na eni de echi. Na ndeda okọ court. Na ne ayete no. In fact, as a region no yem hye in the sense say nipa ba ko kan ho ye third accused of Mr. Japa. Judge otiegwem epia no say ne nsem bi a oka no onka ne yi ensisi so. Oho na papa yi I can say hwe na Minister of Attorney General and Justice I friend Godfred Odame. In some waka cha mokukuom say memfa na menka na membunti a Ato Forson no meka wa ha asembesi na me recordings ni na ho hey eno asem no chese ye bua no ntwachea chese ye pese dan mra no eti ase editi a ye ndisi nti ase region no ye tie no in fact anadwena ye meeting ye frefre
for the master some dribble the Likee TV comment section here more notification bell no click so share the latest on Sabek can be